Welcome to the course of Introduction to Rail Transportation. In this lecture, we will briefly describe high-speed railway safety guarantee system. We are going to cover the following aspects: the composition of high-speed railway safety guarantee system, the disaster prevention and safety monitoring subsystem, the safety guarantee of high-speed railway in China. As you can see from the video, derailment is deadly accident of rail operation. If it is serious enough to cause casualties in the accident, similar accidents can be avoided if a complete safety guarantee system is set up. Clearly, this system is of vital importance to every aspect of railways. The composition of high-speed railway safety guarantee system, environment monitoring, and alarm system. It is used to monitor the nature environment along the lines, including nature disasters that may undermine the safety of trails like wind, rainfall, snowfall, landslide, and knockfall, and so on. Equipment and facility monitoring system. It can keep track of the status of bridges, tunnels, lines, subgrades, stations, tracks, and others, in order to detect and avoid hidden risks in time. Train status monitoring system. The system can detect equipment failure in an early stage to prevent accidents from happening and notify maintenance staff. Emergency response system. The system ensures a quick handling when an accident occurs on the train. The disaster prevention and safety monitoring subsystem.
When an earthquake strikes, the train's power is automatically cut, transforming the electric motors into powerful brakes. Built into the track, anti-derailment guards stop the carriages from tipping over, keeping the train on the track while the earth around it shakes. Finally, 128 air-powered brakes clamp down on steel brake discs, bringing the 700-ton machine to a complete halt, all within just 3,300 yards.
It provides real-time information for integrated operational control management. The service platforms of high-speed railway integrated dispatching system give volume or control to trains in operation according to specified procedures. The type of disasters, analysis results, and the level of disaster provided by the disaster prevention and safety monitoring platform. They also provide relevant information for departments of comprehensive maintenance, power supply, train dispatching, and rescue to fix breakdowns and ensure safe and punctual operation of high-speed trains. The main targets of safety monitoring: nature disasters, railway lines, substations, communication rooms, large stations, accidents, illegal trespassing, Status of running trails and river crossing tunnels. The safety guarantee of high-speed railway in China. Construction, engineering, and equipment quality assurance. Operating security. Technical regulations for high-speed railways in China. Operation safety testing and monitoring technology. Maintenance and repair of China's high-speed railways. Emergency rescue. China's high-speed railway safety technology system. It is to ensure the quality of high-speed railways during construction period. Before the operation, the condition and the reliability of the railway will be tested and evaluated. Quality assurance of construction and equipment include 3 aspects. The first one is engineering construction. Different systems such as special supervision, review, and appraisal, relevant technical standards, and quality management and construction quality inspection are adopted in various phases. The acceptance is done in strict accordance with the project acceptance procedures. The second one is CRH train. Manufacturing of finished vehicles and parts. Carry out management of production qualification and management of design and model certificates, and strictly enforce the system of finished vehicles and parts acceptance certificates. The third one is infrastructure products. For main products of public engineering, communication signals, and traction power supply. The administrative license, product certification, and quality inspection on the road should be implemented. Operating security, safety assurance, integrated commissioning ensures safety, stability, comfort of the EMU operation, traction power, supply system, communication, signal system. It tests maintenance engineering, lines, bridges, subgrades, approach embedment. Verify the safety reasonableness, reliability, stability of EMUs. Well, as you can see here, in this way, the hidden dangers that may affect safe operation can be detected and eliminated. Through learning of this lecture, we have learned the composition of the system, understood the disasters prevention and safety monitoring subsystem, learned the safety guarantee of high-speed railways in China, and we need to master some basic related words and expressions of the high-speed railway safety guarantee system. Safety guarantee system, equipment and facility monitoring system, tree status monitoring system, emergency response system, disasters prevention and safety monitoring subsystem. High-speed railway integrated dispatching system, China's high-speed railway safety technology system, construction, engineering, and Equipment Quality Assurance Integrated Commission, Integrated Operational Management. Want to know more about China's rail transportation? Stay with us till next time. Thank you.